Give any work out of this guy? Very good to see.
Щодо потужності нашої армії, ми відчуваємо. To thank you very much for the constant support provided to Ukraine. Третє питання – це
I intend to announce the return of our diplomats to Ukraine. I think we will start probably in Lviv and then move to Kyiv. It may take a few weeks, but I'll announce that tomorrow. In addition, the President will announce his intent to nominate Bridget Brink as our next ambassador to Ukraine. Thank you so much for the agrément that you gave her. Bridget, I think, is known to some of you. She will be a terrific ambassador as well. And in addition, we will be announcing further elements of our assistance to include some foreign military financing assistance on top of all of the drawdowns that